We're alive. We're okay. Fall. Fall. Did somebody say fall? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm like too much for myself. Hey guys, Natalie G here, and welcome back to my channel. So we just put together this little fall look for the kids. I was partially inspired by just green. Like lately I'm feeling really, really green, all of the tones. So we put this together. Everything will be included. If it's not in the video and it's not super clear what I used, it'll be in the description box down below. Really excited for fall. Hopefully I can push some more looks out before Halloween and we get into that whole like, you know, Halloween looks, because you know your girl don't really do the Halloween looks. She's gonna try this year, so let's get the fall looks rolling now, and then that way we can jump into everything else that's spooky about this season. I hope you're really digging this look. I think it's super cute and super season appropriate. I've also included my new foundation routine in this video, so I hope you guys like it. Before we, did I scratch myself? Before we get into this video, please be sure to subscribe to me down below. Also hit that notification button so that you know whenever I drop new videos, and let's get right into this video. All right, so let's just get into it because I have no idea how to act in like a new setup, so like this is really weird for me. I like how it looks, I think, based on what I thought I saw. So I'm like, you know what, let's just jump right into it, see how you feel. Like it's almost like it's good. I really like how the setup is, but I almost just feel like out of place, like in the weirdest way, even though like I've lived here for over a month now. Maybe because this is my first time filming in the new space, I just feel super, super awkward. Okay, so we're gonna do something fall inspired, but I also want to do like my new we won't say new. I want to do my current foundation routine while I'm doing this fall tutorial. So we're gonna start with Maybelline Baby Skin Primer. I'm gonna try not to make this chatty. So the reason why I wanted to do the new, why do I keep saying the new? Like it's a trend. The reason why I wanted to include my new updated foundation routine is because I feel like it's almost perfect for right now, fall, any kind of transition period where you don't want to be maybe too dewy or too matte. So I go in with the Baby Skin Primer, but then on top of it, I just put MAC Strobe Cream in Pink Light. This just gives me that glow underneath the foundation, which I love. I used to do this when I first started doing makeup, but then I stopped and I don't know why. Okay, now that our skin is all prepped, we're gonna go straight into foundation. I currently mix two foundations. I really like both of these foundations. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation in Cocoa and the Fenty Pro Filter Foundation in 440. I really love both of these foundations individually. I like them even better when they work together. The Fenty is super dewy. It's basically skin-like. And the Anastasia is matte and very full coverage. When you put them together, it's a really good finish. So usually what I do is, where's my mirror? I start talking and then I'm like, Natalie, you forgot to do the next step, the next thing that you do. Okay, so usually what I do is I grab my stick foundation and I go all over my face with that first. Right now I'm not really color correcting, so in these areas that are a bit darker, I'll layer on the stick foundation, and then other places I just won't go as heavy. And then on a beauty blender, I just take, I should have checked this. I just take my Fenty foundation, and then we just blend that all together. Stop like holding the camera. It's like, how can you see? If I do this, how can you see? But it's like, it's just habit to be like, let me just hold my mirror so close to my face, as close as humanly possible. Coffee break. Ow! Coffee is actually so good. I'm pretty sure I could drink decaf because I just really enjoy the taste of it. And just like the taste of it like relaxes me and makes me feel like today's gonna be a good day. Freaking love coffee. Okay. Back into makeup. I'm actually gonna pause and do my brows off camera. Yes, I also do my brows on top of my foundation now. I'm a whole new person. I don't know what happened in 2018 to me. And we're back with my eyebrows. So what I used was a off black eye pencil, and I used the NYX. See, I'm doing it again. The NYX. What did I use? Here it is. The NYX eyebrow gel in black. But it's really not black, it's like an off black. And then I just set it with NYX clear brow gel. Just so that if someone wants to know, or if I have to recreate my eyebrows from today, I remember, because I tend to forget. So I do that, and then I'm going into concealer. I use the ColourPop concealer in either dark 42 or dark 44. One has more pinky undertones, one has more golden undertones. Dark 42 because it's more golden, and dark 44 is a little bit too pink, so sometimes it makes me look over pink, so I tend to, that's why this one has more, I believe, because it's just a little too pink sometimes, depending on the foundation I'm using. But for this look, we're gonna go with dark 42 in the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. This concealer has made me want to try like ColourPop's full line. Where's my mirror? Yes. This concealer has made me want to buy ColourPop's full line. It's just so creamy, and I honestly, that ColourPop order has been sitting, like, my cart's been full for like about a couple of days now, so I'm still thinking about it. Let me know in the comments down below if you'd like to see a ColourPop face, because I can do that. That I can do. But I more so want to know if you guys are interested, so just holla. I have a big old forehead, so I don't put too much concealer in the middle of it. And this is why I especially like the ColourPop concealer. I have not had to dip back in to the jar to do my whole entire face or conceal and brighten my face. It's literally just, once I take it out, this is all the product I need, which is really good. And the wand is super movable. It's just good. It's a good concealer and it's cheap, so I would highly recommend. Eyeballs, you don't need too much. I would say that's the thing too. Be careful not to use too much because it honestly is a lot of product and it blends out a lot. So I let under my eyes sit, and then I blend everything else out under eyes last. To be quite honest, I haven't really been contouring. I should be. I've gained a lot of weight, so I should be, but I just haven't been. So I don't think we're going to. Let's right into baking. To bake, I'm going to be using the Beauty Bakery Flour Setting Powder. This is in the color Yellow. I'm that person. Like, why did I put the thing on my eye and then try to open my eye? So foolish sometimes, I swear. We're just sitting everywhere. We had that concealer. So since I've bought this, this is what I've been using instead of contouring all the time. Sometimes you just need bronzer, and bronzer brings so much more warmth to the face for me personally. I haven't been looking out the window and talking to you. Anyways, what I've been using since I bought this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Bronzer in Mahogany. I flush my face. Sometimes I don't even put on blush. I will just like wear this. And I put this all along my face. And I'm not like shy with it. Okay, and moving into eyes, kind of inspired by my attire, we're gonna do something olive greeny. I love olive green. I have a bunch of different things that I'm going to grab from. We're gonna start with some ColourPop shadows. I made 2 quads Why am I so awkward? I made 2 quads on ColourPop.com. So I'll list the colors below because the colors aren't even on the pans underneath. So I would have to like go look at my order to tell you what colors they are. So I'll show you which colors I used today, and then I'll just put them in the description below so you know what colors I used from ColourPop. So we're gonna go into the chocolate brown. And this is just gonna be our transition color. Did I? Oh no. I'm like the worst person for taking like plastic off mirrors. Like, goodness gracious, girl. Get it together. So then I'm gonna go into this green shade in my palette. And just on like a bullet type brush, outline the crease. I'm just gonna blend this out. I did not add any extra product to the brush before doing this, because I really want to see what I'm working with first. So now we can begin to pack that color on. So now I'm going to try to mix in this pigment somehow. This is the color Henna by NYX. Oh yeah. We're just gonna go over this green we just laid a little bit on the inside, more so though. So then we're gonna do my favorite thing ever, which is to take some MAC mixing medium and put it on the lids. The lids, child. And I'm just going in with that shimmer green shade from my ColourPop palette. Then we're just gonna go blend it all together with the dark green shade. And then I'm just gonna go back with that original brush and that chocolate brown and just blend out any harsh lines. And I'm gonna put a little bit of the shimmer green on the inner corners. That is like powerful without matte mixing medium. Holy smokes. A skinny brush with that chocolate brown color. Now that matte green. You know, I feel like I drop everything that I pick up. Like, I drop things multiple times a day in many ways. I drop things here, I drop things there, I drop things everywhere. So annoyed. Okay, mascara, and we're using the Essence Lash Princess mascara. My natural eyelashes are coming through, honey. Like, they have grown. Yeah, I'm just popping the pigment in between here and there. Okay, and then we're gonna pop on lashes. For lashes, we are using the RD Beauty lashes in Demi G. Like, why is this eye watering while I'm putting on this eyelash? I don't understand. Today is not a good eyelash day. We do what we can with what we got. Okay, and for blush, in the fall especially, I love to use NYX's HD blush in Double Dare. I feel like it's perfect for this time of year, and then it avoids the clash of like a reddish or pinkish blush with the green, and it just continues on that trend of like warming up this face of mine. We'll go with Jackie Aina's La Peach. It's not Jackie Aina's La Peach. It's Artist Couture's La Peach by Jackie Aina. I just dropped like 5 things. Now let's bring my highlight a little bit forward on my cheeks. And let this go. Like, this is like perfect year-round glow. Jackie, you did this. You did this. You did what? This. This is what you did. And we'll do a little bit on the brow bone because I haven't done that in ages. For lips, we're lining my lips with what? You guessed it, MAC Bittersweet. Actually, I'm gonna spray my face now with Maybelline Master Fix. Let's cover up some things before we drop them again, right? Oh, and this one, all my mirrors look nasty because I spray it and the mirror's open and then it gets, all right, cool. Nude Sticks, Greystone. I'm really digging gloss. What else is new? So I'm just gonna take the NYX Lingerie Clear Gloss. It smells so good. And again, I dropped something else. And I would say we're done. This is the finished look. Thanks so much for watching that video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below if you like my new setup. Tell me how you feel about it. And just let me know anything else that you liked about the video. If you like my new foundation routine, if you're feeling fall vibes, just let me know in the comments down below. I'd really appreciate it. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.